Okay, year 13 lessons. What I want you to do is to work on integration in these two lessons for this week. So the first thing I need you to do is to write down the title integration and then copy down all of these integration facts. Now a lot of them will be on your formula booklet, but for the purposes of this exercise we're going to be referring to these quite a few times. So you need to make sure you get these written down. If you don't want to copy them from the screen, they are in your book, in your textbook, on the first page of the integration chapter. Now that's on page 82 in the old book, so I'm not sure what it is on the new books. But yeah, if you want to copy these down, then pause the video, and once you've done that, we're going to go through a few questions. And the first question we're going to go through is to integrate two. Let's make it look a little bit neater. We're going to integrate 2 cos x plus 3 over x minus the square root of x with respect to x. Now the first thing we're going to do is we've got to sort this out so that we can put it in a format where we can integrate it. So it's going to be 2 cos x plus 3 over x minus x to the power of a half with respect to x. Okay, so now if we have a look over here, if we integrate cos x, we're going to get sin x, so that's going to be 2 sin x. Now 3 over x, this thing here, that's the same as 3 lots of 1 over x. And we can see that if we integrate 1 over x, we're going to get log x. So that's going to be 3 lots of log x. And then if we integrate x to the power of a half, it's going to be x to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. And then all we need to do is we need to simplify it. So it's going to be 2 sin x plus 3 log x. And if we've got x to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, we divide by a fraction, so if we kiss and flip, that's going to be times 2 over 3. So that's going to be minus 2x to the power of 3 over 2 over 3, and then plus c. And that's the first one we're going to do. So if you want to make sure you've got that copy down, and I'm going to rub this off now. So again, make sure you got this copy down before you pause the video before you carry on, just so that we can constantly refer to these points here on the left of the screen. So next question, we're going to integrate cos x over sine squared x minus 2 e to the power of x. Okay, so we've got a function over a function here, and we haven't learnt how to integrate with the quotient rule, because we can't do that per se, but we haven't learned anything like that yet, so hopefully this should simplify to something different. Oh sorry, this is all with respect to x. So if we simplify cos x over sine squared x, we can say that's going to be cos x over sine x times by 1 over sine x minus 2 e to the x with respect to x. Now cos x over sine x, sine over cos is tan, so cos over sine is going to be cot. So that's going to be cot x, 1 over sine is cosec x, minus 2 e to the x with respect to x. Okay, now if we have a look over here on the left, we've got cot x cosec x, or cosec x cot x. That integrates to minus cosec x. So if we integrate this, that's going to be minus cosec x. And if we have a look at when we integrate e to the x, that just goes to e to the x. So 2 lots of e to the x is going to go to 2 lots of e to the x, and then plus c. So that's what I want you to do, and then I want you to just work through exercise 6a, question 1 and 2. Now as I'm not there, can I get you to make sure that you go through all the questions, not just the left hand column this time? And yeah, make sure that you're checking your answers each time, and then going back, and then what we'll do is that when I get back, we'll go through any questions that you struggled with, and if you didn't struggle with any questions, we're just going to move on to the next part of the topic. Okay, if I don't see you next week or next Friday. Have a great half term as well.